In this video, I'll show you guys how to install the Bigger Lobby mod manually in Lethal Company. The first step is to visit this link right here. I'll put it in the description and scroll down. And as you can see, this mod requires these dependencies to actually work. So click the first link right here and download this mod. Now go back and click the second link and download this mod right here, the LC API mod. And after that, you can go back and download the actual mod itself, the Bigger Lobby mod. Click here, and there we go. That's all 3 mods downloaded. Now, open Steam, go to your library, right-click Lethal Company, manage, and browse local files. After that, open the BepInExpec file using WinRAR 7-zip, just like this. Click on this folder inside, copy all the contents, Control-C, and paste it here in a Lethal Company folder, Control-V, replace files. There we go. Now open the BepInEx folder. Let's keep this open. Now go back and open the Bigger Lobby mod. Click on BepInEx, copy plugins, Control-C, and paste it here. Now finally go back, open the API file, click on BepInEx, and click on plugins, and copy all of this, and paste it inside plugins. And there we go. And that's it. The next time you open the game, it's going to launch with the mod installed. Thanks for watching.